So my name is Wellington. I'm from Colombia, so I'm studying English in the college sector. And today I'm talking about special organs and their functions. Special organs. The main special organs, number one is like a lips, teeth, alveoli, toe, larynx, vocal cords, epistylotes, parrots, saw plate, teeth. Small width extrusion found in jails, responsible for crazy sounds, mainly the labiodental e.g. F and V, language dental e.g. O, teeth, hard palate, tonsil, vestibule of mouth, soft palate, uval, tongue, gift. Licks. The lips serve for create different sound, mainly the labial, bilabial, E, G, P, B, M, H, W, M, W, and labiodental. Consonant sound E, G, F, and V, and those create an important part of the spatial apparatus. Towns. The traditional phonetics system uses express creation like a high vowel heard in the E of machine or U of rule to describe the town's R to the roof of the mouth. They also employ it in its counterpart love vowel here in the A of father or hat to describe a flat, low tone position. Other descriptions like main vowel, front vowel, and back vowel helped provide a general understanding of the tone's position in spatials. Tones. Party large, spaced, coryphopods, hard palate, and thin horizontal bony plate of the skull located in the roof on the mouth. The interaction between the tongue and the hard palate is essential in the formation of creative spatial sound, notably T, D, and J. Lacerine, high bone, epistix, triad membrane, Finch, Cartway, Track, Supralis, Boa, Cards, Glottis, Subglottis. Lungs. In most cases, spatial sound really real or hair sufficient by the lungs, which are spongy, cancer-shaped bags, possessed of teeth, with a cative known as the sheath cative, thorax cavities or thoracic cage, enclosed by the rib cage and the diaphragm. Lungs, tract, right upper lobe, right bronch, horizon fear, right middle booth, oblique fissure, right lower lobe, carotid, thorax, pet, left after lobe view, left brooch, broken first, brushings, left lower, backs of lung. Thank you so much, dear teacher. Right, bye bye. Thank you for attending my word, right? God bless you, right, all the time. Your dreams coming true.